Introducing ChaosMonkey, developer analytics that measures ROI and productivity from AI across the entire software development lifecycle. You start by connecting GitHub or Atlassian. That's how we tie delivery data, pull requests, reviews, merges, deployments, back to what's happening upstream in the IDE. Next is connecting developer tools. We support VS Code, Cursor, Windsurf in both terminal and IDE mode, along with Claude Code and Microsoft Copilot, with more coming. From there, I can invite my team, either by generating a link to share in Slack or sending email invites directly. What matters is that we're ingesting real telemetry across your entire engineering org, regardless of tools, and tying it back to spend, productivity, and ROI. You can also define custom metrics specific to your team. This is where I usually start: performance insights. At the top are AI usage signals, session counts, active coding time, assist rates, all broken down by IDE. This tells you how AI tools are being used. It's usage context, not outcomes. Below that is the core of the product, performance insights. Here, we analyze the full delivery pipeline, plan and code, review and merge, deploy and operate, using both IDE telemetry and pipeline data. The key is end-to-end visibility. You can see whether activity in the IDE actually leads to faster reviews, smoother merges, and more predictable deployments. Plan and code reflects development flow. Review and merge shows collaboration dynamics. Deploy and operate shows delivery and reliability. When something stands out, you can drill in. This view lets you compare tools over time, by metric, team, repo, or IDE, using the same underlying data. This is where speed versus quality trade-offs become clear. As you go deeper, you get the underlying metrics and context, so you understand why an insight exists, not just that it exists. So the flow is intentional. Performance insights shows where impact is happening. Productivity by tool validates it over time. The result is simple. Engineering leaders can make better AI investment decisions, understanding ROI, trade-offs, and the right mix of tools across teams. ChaosMonkey gives you the visibility to optimize AI across your engineering organization, across tools, teams, and workflows. Request access at chaosmonkey.dev.